traders. Welcome to today's video on Gann Swing Structure Indicator for MT4. This tool automatically plots swing highs and swing lows based on WD Gann swing principles, so you can read market structure, trends, and reversals without drawing every swing by hand. Let's point to load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. The Gann Swing Structure Indicator scans price and marks significant swing highs and swing lows, then connects them into a clear series of upswings and downswings on your chart. In an uptrend, you'll see a staircase of higher swing highs and higher swing lows. And in a downtrend, you'll see lower highs and lower lows. Changes in that rhythm, such as a failure to make a new high or break below a prior swing low, visually signal that momentum may be weakening and a trend reversal or deeper correction could be forming. So here the indicator plots blue at the top or the high of every candle and red at the bottom of every candle, and it connects that to form the swing structure. And we go over to the settings. We have the kind that decides when a pivot qualifies as a swing high or a swing low, then plots that pivot automatically. These sensitivity controls or settings control how big a move must be before a swing is confirmed. So you can either focus on major moves or capture final swings depending on your time frames and style. Once plotted, swings can be used to assess trend direction, measure swing length for momentum, confirm breakouts, and set logical stop and target levels. Also adjust the color of the lines and the dots in the indicator. Now, who is it for? The Gann Swing Structure MT4 indicator is ideal for traders who want clarity in market structure, trend followers, swing traders, and reversal traders who base decisions on higher highs, lows, and lower highs, lows. The swings are identified after pivot form, so signals are necessarily lagging. In choppy conditions, the indicator can change direction frequently, and settings that are too sensitive or too insensitive can misrepresent structure. So it should always be combined with additional tools, multi-time frame context, and robust risk management. You can find the download link for the indicator in the description below. You can also read the full Gann Swing Structure MT4 article covering trend, breakouts, reversal strategies, advantages, limitations, and practical tips at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos.